Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Sohan Yadav. Good morning, Madhvi Lata. Good morning, hi. Good morning, yeah. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. No one is saying anything, still sleeping. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Hi, wake up. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Kavya. Good morning, Sujata. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Garvani. Good morning, Shrita. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Bagunara, Carrie, good morning. Shohania, good morning. Harshit, good morning. Ram, good morning. Siddhi Manjuna, good morning. Johnny, good morning. Shri Geeta, good morning. Ritvik, good morning. Lekha, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunara, everyone Manchi at home. Yeah, good morning. Yeah. Everyone Manchi at home. Everyone Manchi at home. I am good, directly proportional. Yeah. If students are Manchi, teacher will be also Manchi. So if you are Manchi, I am also good. No problem, no problem, no problem. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? All are same, no problem. Priya ma'am also good. What's going on at home? CWS, chilling with study. We are not normal people, sir. We are UPL people. We are ultra pro legends. So that's why we are also chilling, but we are not chilling with movies. We are not chilling with outing. We are chilling with study. For us, study is also a type of chilling. Study is not burden for us. For coming 1 year, study is also type of chilling. So that's why we are chilling with studying. CWS. Is it okay? Is it okay? अरे बोल दो भाई कुछ. Offline is nicer or online is nice. Point is, wherever you study, that will be nice. In offline, you'll get more time to ask the doubts and everything. So that's why offline is considered to be better. No problem, no problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? शुरू कर दे. Shall we start with the class? अरे एक बार बोल दो हाँ या ना. Shall we start with the class? Okay, chalo, no problem. And I think in last class we completed our differentiation. Yeah, okays, no problem. And I think in last class we completed our all rules of differentiation. At the last we were talking about product rule, UV rule, which is not used in physics. So okay, even if you don't do UV rule, no problem. Yeah, up to chain rule will be used in physics. We have done differentiation. So differentiation completed in last class. Am I correct? That differentiation completed in last class. Yeah, so today our target will be to talk about integration. Today we will be starting with integration. All rules of integration we will see, all formula of integration we will see, and we will finish out integration also today, so that in the next class we can start with our complete chapter. No problem. Yeah, so you can write integration. We will start with integration. We'll start with our part of integration. This integration will be also used in every chapter. Differentiation will be also used. Integration will be also used. So important part. We will talk about integration. We'll talk about integration. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. So tell me, you have also studied about integration. What is integration? What is the use of integration? Why we do integration? Why we do integration? What is the use of integration? Yeah, Kavya has said correctly. Shohan Yadav has also said correctly. Harsha has also said correctly. It is used to find summation of a function. The way differentiation is used to find rate of change of function, in the similar manner integration is used to find summation of a function. So you can write this point. It is used to find summation of a function. It is used to find summation of a function. It is used to find summation of a function. Differentiation is used to find rate of change of function. Integration is used to find summation of a function. So integration, it is used to find summation of a function. Achha, can you tell me what is the relation between differentiation and integration? What is the relation between differentiation and integration? Is there any relation is there between differentiation and integration? Reverse process. Both are reverse process. Yeah, Kavya, very good. Yeah, both are reverse process. So you can write this point also. Yeah, it is reverse process of differentiation. Yeah, very good. It is reverse process of differentiation. It is reverse process of differentiation. It is reverse process of differentiation. So two important points to have written about introduction of integration. Integration is used to find summation of a function. Tomorrow if you have to add, summation means addition. Tomorrow if you have to add small displacement in order to get total displacement, there we will use integration. So integration is a method to find summation of a function. Integration is method to find addition of a function. Now someone says, sir, is there any relation between differentiation and integration? Both are reverse of each other. If differentiation is a method to climb a tree, integration is the method to come down from the tree. If differentiation is a method to inhale, if inhaling is differentiation, exhaling is your integration. If this is differentiation, this is integration. Is it okay? Everyone understood these 2 points? Everyone understood these 2 points? Differentiation is used to find rate. Differentiation is used to find rate of change of function. Integration is used to find summation of function. Sir, what is the relation between differentiation and integration? Both are reverse process of each other. No problem. Basic points. No problem. Achha, can you tell me how we represent integration? What is representation of integration? You have seen this thing. No problem. What is representation of integration? How we represent integration? How we represent integration? Not long s, stylish s. Actually, this summation which you are seeing here, integration purpose is summation. Integration purpose is summation. Integration is used to find summation of a function. Summation start with s. So this stylish s, this s which you are seeing here is taken as symbol of integration. Symbol of integration is this stylish s. This s which you are seeing here, this stylish s is considered as symbol of integration. So you can write representation. We will talk about representation. How to represent integration? You can write representation. Representation. And see here how to represent integration. Representation. And see, this is how we represent any integration. Tomorrow if I have to do integration, the similar manner we studied representation of differentiation. In the similar manner we are talking about representation of integration. If I have to integrate, then how I will represent it. So ek bar dekh lo, no problem, easy situation. Because whenever you will do integration tomorrow in physics, there you will not write integration of velocity with respect to time. You will represent it with the help of symbol. So I'll tell you how to represent integration. So for example, if I say y is given as function of x. For example, someone is saying, sir, y is given as function of x. Y is function of x means y is depending on x. So that means tomorrow I will integrate y with respect to x. Same thing I told you in differentiation also. Tomorrow you'll differentiate with respect to x because y is function of x. In the similar manner here you'll integrate with respect to x because y is a function of x. So this is how we represent integration. This is how we say. So since y is function of x, so I will say, sir, I will integrate y with respect to x. This is how we will say. The way there we said y is function of x, so we say we will differentiate y with respect to x. In the similar manner here, y is again function of x. Now we are going to integrate. Whose integration? Y integration. With respect to what? With respect to x. Why with respect to x only? Because y is function of x. And we will pronunciate. This is how we will say. Integrate y with respect to x. And this mathematically we will represent it as this integration is used for summation. So symbol of integration is first letter of summation. First letter of summation is S. But we don't write that S in normal manner. We write that S in stylish manner. So this is how we'll say integration of y with respect to x or integrate y with respect to x. We will represent like this. Integrate. This is stylish S which you are seeing here. This is the representation of integration. Integrate y with respect to x. This dx will say with respect to. This is the symbol of integration. This will say integrate. Now integrate whom to integrate? This will say your function. Is it okay? Is it okay for everyone? It's not long fy, its use is summation now, so it's long s. S written in a stylish manner. Its use is summation. Is it okay? Everyone understood how to represent integration? The symbol which you are seeing here is integration. So integrate, you must know whom to integrate, that is y. With respect to what to integrate, that is dx. So we will call it as integration of y with respect to x. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can I ask you some representation? Can I ask you how to pronounce? Come on, you can say for example, how you will pronunciate this? Come on. How you will pronunciate this? Come on. Whose integration with respect to what? How you will pronunciate this? Come on, Torga. Samayam ledu. We have to start with the rules of integration also. Are bolo, how you will pronunciate this? You will simply say, sir, this symbol means integration. So integrate. This we will call it as integration. Integration of whose integration, sir? Z. So integration of Z with respect to y. This is how we'll pronunciate it. Yeah. Integration of, that symbol means integration. Integration. Kiska integration? Y, Z ka integration. With respect to what? With respect to y. For example, all these integrations will be used tomorrow in physics. How will pronunciate this? Come on. V dt. How will pronunciate this? Torga. You must be knowing how to say the integration, how to pronounce the integration. Come on, how you pronunciate this? Torga. Jaldi bhai, samayam ledu. Johnny, correct, very good. Sasiram, correct, very good. Kavya, very good. Samir, very good. Sujata, very good. Garvani, very good. Harshit, very good. New Navus, very good. Carry Navus, Sam, yeah. You'll simply say, sir, this symbol means integration. So integration. Kiska integration, sir? V ka integration. So integration of V with respect to T. This is how we'll pronunciate it. Yeah, okay, no problem. Similarly, last one you can say, then we'll start with rule. How we'll pronunciate this? Come on, Torga. Jaldi bhai, basic things. How you will pronunciate this? Again you will say, sir, you are doing integration. So integration of, kiska integration, sir? A. So with respect to what, sir? With respect to time. With respect to time. Ha, very good. Kavya, correct. A means acceleration here. No problem. Yeah. Srita, very good. Ha, Babu Rao, very good. Carrie, very good. Samir, very good. So I think everyone got idea. Sir, first thing, purpose of integration is to find summation of a function. Sir, integration is reverse process of differentiation. Sir, we represent integration with the help of stylus S. And integration is also done with respect to something. The way differentiation is done with respect to something, integration is also done with respect to something. So is it okay up to now? Is it okay? Done, 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 bhai. Bol do twarga. Is it okay? Done, 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 done. Done, 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 done. We'll move towards rules of integration. How to do integration? Yeah, okay, sir. No problem, no problem. So I'm giving you time of 1 second. Once you can see all these things, then we will start with rules. Once you can see all these things, once completed, you can say done, sir. And once I will say done, sir, you start saying done, sir. Opika ledu. Why to have Opika? We are here to become doctors, sir. Till NEET 2025, we will not have any Opika. We'll have only hunger to become doctor. No problem. So let's start with our rules of integration. You can write rules of integration. We'll start with rules of integration. Rules of integration. Very, very important rule. Tomorrow, all these rules will be used in physics. There I will not have time to tell you in detail. So that's why we are studying separately. Rules of integration. Rules of integration. And see rule number 1. See rule number 1. And I will tell you in such a manner that it will be required in physics. Actually, so many things are there in differentiation, integration. We will study only those things which we require in physics. We are not MPC student that everything we will study. We will study only those things which will be required in physics. So देखो एक बार rules of integration, एक बार देख लो, no problem, no problem. You have also seen these rules, easy rules but important rules. So let's see here, no problem, yeah. Rule number 1. We will talk about rule number 1. Dhyan do, be focused now. We have started with rules of integration. I am going to talk about rule number 1. Rule number 1. And rules will come in the similar manner of your differentiation because both are related with each other. So same type of rules will come. Yeah. Rule number 1 says if you have any function y which is given as x to the power n. If you have any function y which is given as x to the power n, means it is like x square, it is like x cube, it is like x to the power 1 by 2, it is like x to the power 5. And if anyone asks you to integrate this y, if anyone asks you to integrate this y with respect to x, means he is asking you to integrate x to the power n with respect to x. So rule number 1 says integration of x to the power n will be coming as x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. ध्यान दो, be focused, be focused, be focused, be focused. Yeah. Integration of x to the power n will be coming as x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. But always remember, this is C is useful for MPC student. In physics, value of this C we will always take as 0. So you can ignore this C. So final answer will become, for maths people this C has some significance. For physics people value of this constant will be always 0. So this will come directly x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the rule number 1, integration of x to the power n. Is it okay? Integration of x to the power n will be equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. बोल दो भाई, रूल नंबर 1 समझ में आ गया क्या? Integration of x to the power n will be coming as x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And I will show you with the help of one example also. All of you are knowing, no problem, simple situation, because this is the first integration which will come in every chapter. So that's why I will show you with the help of one example. You can see one example, no problem. For example, someone came. एक बार देख लो example, then I will give you 2-3 questions to do also. No problem. Practice is also required. I will simply say, for example, someone came and he said, sir, someone came and he said, sir, I have y equal to x cube. And he asked me to integrate this y with respect to x. That means he asked me to integrate x cube with respect to x. Can you tell me how much it will come? X cube integration will come how much? X to the power 4 by 4. No need to write constant c because c will be 0 in physics. So why to make it complicated? Yeah, I will simply say, sir, this is in the same form of rule number 1. So rule number 1 also says same thing. Sir, x to the power n integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X to the power n integration will become, sir, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here x to the power 3 integration will become x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. You can see because here n value is 3. So same thing we are going to talk. X to the power n integration will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x to the power 3 integration will become x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this will finally become 3 plus 1 is 4. So x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. But this c value not required because in physics value of c will be 0. Is it okay? Is it okay, bhai? Bol do. So come on, tell me what is integration of x to the power n? Jaldi bata do, x to the power n. Rule number 1 bata do. What is integration of x to the power n? X to the power n integration. Then I will give you 2-3 questions to practice. X to the power n integration. X to the power n integration. Jaldi batao. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I will give you some questions for practice. You can find some integration. Come on. You write. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. You write some questions I will give you. Integrate following. Integrate following. Integrate following. Integrate following. Simple integration, but they will be used in physics. And I feel everyone will get. Shohan has given answer, Kavya has given answer for first one, Harsha has given answer for first one, Kavya second also answer given, Saeed has given answer for first one, okay, no problem, Garvani has given first and second, Twarga Bhai, Sasiram first and second done. Third people are not giving because third is little tough. Not tough. Under root means power 1 by 2. From there you can do. Kavya has given answer for third one also, very good. Fourth one, you have to bring x cube in numerator. You have to write that as x to the power minus 3. Then you can apply the formula. Samir, very good. Harshini, very good. Shrita, very good. Shohan, very good. Shohan has given answer for third one also, very good. Nagendra, very good. Johnny, bahut badhiya. Kavya has given answer for third one also, very good. Fourth one also, very good. Shrita, very good. Sasiram, very good. So let me do, I will do it, then I will ask you how many of you got all correct. No problem. Simple situation, yeah. Sir, x to the power n integration, we know, sir, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x to the power 4 integration will become x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. So this will become x to the power 5 by 5. This is the integration of first part. Second part also similarly, sir, very simple, x to the power n plus 1. 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1. So this will become x to the power 11 by 11. Sir, third one, root x difference integration. So I told you in differentiation also, don't worry. Root x means nothing. You cannot integrate it directly. So we'll say simply root x means power 1 by 2. So I can write this as x to the power. Root x means x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Now again you can use first rule. So this will become x to the power n plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So this will become x to the power. 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2. And this is also 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2. If you wish, you can arrange it. This will become 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. So this is the integration for third one. Fourth one, integration. Always remember you don't have any formula for denominator. If you want to use first rule, bring it in numerator. You can write this also as x to the power minus 3 dx. You know, anything if you bring in numerator, power becomes negative. Now you can again use rule number 1, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now from here this will become x to the power minus 2 by minus 2. If you wish, you can arrange it. It will become minus x to the power minus 2 by 2. Is it okay? How many of you got all 4 correct? Arey bol do bhai, how many of you got all 4 correct? First rule of integration. Kavita got, Shrita got, Garvani got, Harshit got, Saeed got, बहुत बढ़िया, Sasi got, Shiva got, Johnny got, Sujata got, Ishwar got, Vedika got, Babu Rao, Samir, Harshani, Kavya, very good, Nagendra, to Sravanti, Bhanu, everyone got, no problem, no problem. Now we'll move towards rule number 2. You can write rule number 2. Kirti got, Janardhan Reddy got, Ma Velugu got, okay, Pravalika got, every Adi got, chalo, bahut badhiya. Carry got, very good, yeah. Now we'll move towards rule number 2. You can write rule number 2. Rule number 2. And same type of rule will come. If you remember, dhyan do, okays, no problem, yeah. If you remember, in differentiation, rule number 2 was integration of constant. In differentiation, you studied differentiation of constant. That was rule number 2. So same rule will come here. Rule number 2 will deal with integration of constant. Same as there. There in differentiation, you studied rule number 2, differentiation of constant. Here rule number 2, integration of constant. So someone came and he said, sir, if I have y any function and that function is found to be constant. If I have any function y which is constant. Constant means let's assume its value to be c. Let's assume its value to be c. So if you have any function y, that function y is given as constant. Let's assume that constant to be c. So now if anyone asks you to integrate the constant, rule number 2 is dealing with integration of constant. So if anyone came and he asked you, integrate this y with respect to x. That means integrate this constant, y is constant, c with respect to x. So always remember, integration of constant c with respect to x will come cx. This is the rule number 2. Integration of constant c with respect to x will come cx. Is it okay? For example, tomorrow if you integrate 2 with respect to x, 2 is a constant, it will come 2x. Tomorrow if you integrate 3 with respect to x, 3 is constant, it will come 3x. Tomorrow if you integrate 4 with respect to x, it will come 4x. This is our rule number 2. Integration of constant c will be equal to cx. 2 integration 2x, 3 integration 3x, 4 integration 4x. Is it okay? Integration of constant c will be equal to cx. This is our rule number 2. And always remember 2 integration. One more point I will tell. Dhyan do. Okay. So integration of constant. Rule number 2 says, yeah, bahut badhiya, no problem, easy rule. Rule number 2 says the integration of constant c will be equal to cx. But always remember, integration of c will be cx only when you are integrating with respect to x. Tomorrow if you integrate with respect to time, dhyan do. These are small things that will be used tomorrow in physics. Arey 2 integration came 2x na, 3 integration came 3x na, 4 integration came 4x na. This will happen only when you are integrating with respect to x. Tomorrow if you start integrating 2 with respect to time, it will give you 2t. Tomorrow if you integrate same constant 3 with respect to time, it will become 3t. Tomorrow if you integrate same 4 with respect to t, it will become 4t. Are you getting idea? If you integrate with respect to y, it will become 2y, 3y, 4y. Like that it will happen. So integration of constant c is cx only when you integrate with respect to x. If you integrate with respect to t, it will become ct. If you integrate with respect to y, it will become cy. Is it okay? Bol do bhai, torga. Rule number 2 okay? Rule number 2 okay? समझ में आया? What is the meaning of with respect to what you are integrating? Because tomorrow actually you will get use of integration with respect to time only. Most of the integration will be with respect to time. So that's why I told you for time also. No problem. Rule number 2 completed. No problem. Yeah. Now we'll move towards rule number 3. Okay. Rule number 2 I point this, sir. So always remember integration of C will be Cx only when you integrate with respect to x. If you integrate with respect to time, it will become Ct. If you integrate with respect to y, it will become Cy. If you integrate with respect to z, it will become Cz. No problem, no problem. So this is how we talk about rule number 2. Now we are going to move towards rule number 3. ध्यान दो, no problem, no problem. Rule number 3. ध्यान दो. Achha, do you remember rule number 3 of differentiation? What was rule number 3 in differentiation? What was rule number 3 in differentiation? Rule number 3 of differentiation. Constant C will not participate in differentiation. If you remember, if constant is multiplied, constant will not participate. Remaining things you have to differentiate. So it came C n x to the power n minus 1. So same thing will happen here also. एक बार देख लो, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Same rule number 3 here also we have. So if someone says, sir, if y is given as, y is a function which is given as cx to the power n, means constant c is multiplied with our function. Yeah. Very good. Many people are already saying the rule. Yeah. Rule number 3 is same as the rule number 3 of differentiation. Same thing will happen. Here also, if someone give you y, which is given as cx to the power n, means your constant c is multiplied with the function. Here also, what will happen when you integrate constant c? Do not participate in integration. Do not participate in integration. Do not participate. So here what will happen? If you integrate this y with respect to x, y means, sir, cx to the power n. This is the value of y, dx. Now here also constant c will not participate. It will come out of integration. C will come out. Ultimately, you'll integrate x to the power n. And x to the power n integration, you know, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become c x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. You do not touch the constant. You have give respect to the constant. The way you have given respect in differentiation, here also constant you don't have to touch. Whenever constant is multiplied with the function, we have to give respect to the constant. Remaining things we can differentiate, remaining things we can integrate. Is it okay? Once you can write rule number 3. Yeah, okay, no problem. Once I will check AC. Power cut happened. Chalo, okay, no problem. I will show you with the help of one example. Simple situation only, no problem. I will show you with the help of one example. Then I will give you some questions to practice. No problem, no problem. Yeah. So always remember integration of c x to the power n will come. C will remain as it is. So c x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Constant you no need to touch. Constant will remain as it is. Remaining things you can integrate. For example, one example I will do. Then I will give you some questions to practice. For example, yeah. Someone came and he said, sir, integrate 3x square. Someone came and he said, sir, integrate 3x square. So 3x square, when you integrate 3x square, 3 will remain as it is. Whom you will ultimately integrate, this is what I said. Whenever constant is multiplied, constant will not participate in integration. 3 you will not touch. 3 will remain as it is. So 3 ko chodo, x square ko integrate karo. X square integration means x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will finally become 3x to the power 3 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. You will get answer x cube. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can I give you some questions to practice from third rule? Can I give you some question to practice from third rule? हाँ सिंपल, कांस्टेंट विल नॉट, कांस्टेंट को टच नहीं करना है, बाकी यू कैन इंटीग्रेट, नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम. सो कम ऑन, आई विल गिव यू सम क्वेश्चन एंड आई विल गिव यू क्वेश्चन. You write integrate following, integrate following, integrate following, integrate following. Simple integrations will come. Integrate following. Sujata has given answer for first, Sasi also given, Saeed also given, Raidu given, very good, Shiva very good, Saeed has given answer for second one also very good, Nagendra second one answer seems to be wrong. 2x means 2x to the power 1, don't do mistake. Shrita very good, Sheila Kavita very good, first only answer given. Come on, do fast, these are easy integrations. Harshit has completed. I think everyone will be able to do just easy, so I am not giving more time. I will ask how many of you got all correct. I will ask finally how many of you got all correct. You will simply say, sir 5 multiplied hai na, so 5 will not participate, 5 will remain as it is. X to the power 4 को integrate करना है. Finally we have to integrate x to the power 4. X to the power n integration we know. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become finally 5x to the power 5 by 5. Now 5 cancel, it will become x to the power 5. Done sir. क्या इससे? Easiest situation. Now if anyone asks you to integrate 2x, always remember x means x to the power 1. Here people do mistake. That's why. Sir, you said x to the power n integration. Here n is not written. If n is not written means n is 1. Here power is 1. So I'll simply say, sir, 2x to the power n, 2x to the power 1 integration will become, 2 will remain as it is. X to the power 1 integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now this 2 will be cancelled, it will become x square. Similarly here sir 10 will remain as it is. X to the power 9 integration will become 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1. So this will become x to the power 10. How many of you got all 3 correct? How many of you got all 3 correct? Jaldi bol do bhai twarga. Sheila Kavita has got, Saeed has got, Harshit has got, Raidu has got, Shrita has got, Sasiram got, Sujata got, Johnny got, Pravalika got, Chaitanya got, Shiva, Harshit, Ishwar, so many, Shohan Yadav, Krishna, Sameer, Ashish, Janardhan Reddy, Shravanti, very good, Carrie got, everyone got, Pravalika got, everyone got, no problem, no problem, no problem, Sri, Geeta got, Adi got, yeah. So this is up to rule number 3. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. Once again you can see from rule number 1, 2 and 3. Then we will move towards rule number 4. Once again you can see rule number 1, 2 and 3. Once completed you can say done sir. And once I will say done sir, everyone will start saying done sir. Chalo, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ. Okay. No problem. Yeah. How to enroll in the app? They will tell. Don't worry. And you can ask all those questions at the last. I always give some time for all these questions at the last. Now we'll start with rule number 4. Rule number 4. You can write rule number 4. Rule number 4. We'll talk about rule number 4. And again like that, if you remember in differentiation when many functions were added or many functions were subtracted, someone asked you to differentiate, you differentiated one by one. Now here also rule number 4 is same. Here we will integrate one by one. So for example, what rule number 4 will say, if someone give you y and y is given as a addition or subtraction of many function. For example, y is given as a u plus minus v plus minus w. You can see y is given as addition or subtraction of many function. Now someone asks you to integrate. You cannot integrate u, v and w all at once. So what is the option left? 1 by 1. So here also if anyone asks you to integrate, you will simply say, sir, if you want to integrate y with respect to x, I cannot integrate all at once. So kya kar sakte hai? What option is left? 1 by 1. First I will integrate u. So it will become u dx. Then plus minus. Then I will integrate v. So v dx. Then plus minus we will integrate w. So w dx. Means point is again 1 by 1. When many functions are added or subtracted, we are helpless. No other method is there. क्या कर सकते हैं? When many food items come in front of us, तो कैसे खाएंगे? 1 by 1. So same thing is there. 1 by 1 integration we have to do. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Very good, Sameer, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. That is the way you will be able to remember. 1 by 1 integration we have to do. I will show you with the help of one example. You understood, no problem. But one example I will do. Then I will give you many 4 or 5 questions from here. And actually the integration that you will get in physics, there one function will not come. Many functions will be added. So rule number 4 will be used everywhere. So I will give no problem. One example I will solve. Then I will give you some examples to do. So for example, like ek example dekh lo. For example, someone came and he said, sir, I have y is given as x square plus 4x cube plus 5. And he asked me to integrate this y with respect to x. Someone came and he has given me x square plus 4x cube plus 5 and he asked me to integrate. One thing is clear. Sir, I cannot integrate all three. X square is one function. 4x cube is another function. 5 is another function. We cannot integrate all at once. So kya option hai? First integrate x square. Then integrate 4x cube. Then integrate 5. Many people have given answer also, no problem. Easy situation. 1 by 1 integration. First I will integrate x square. So it will become x to the power n plus 1. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then I will integrate 4x cube. 4 will remain as it is. X cube integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 5 integration, just now you studied constant integration. C is cx because you are integrating with respect to x. So 5 integration will become 5x. So from here final answer will become 3 plus 1 4. This is also 4. Cancel. So this will become x cube by 3 plus x to the power 4 plus 5x. Is it okay? Is it okay, bhai? समझे क्या 1 by 1 different integration? Same rule number 4 of differentiation here also we have. So shall I give you some questions to practice? कुछ questions दे दूं? त्वरगा भाई, कुछ questions दे दूं? Chalo, come on, no problem. You can write some question. Chalo. These all integrations will be used tomorrow in different chapter. Important. You can do some question. You write. Integrate following with respect to x. Integrate following with respect to x. Integrate following with respect to x. Easy integration which will be used in physics. People have started giving answer also. Very good. Garvani has given. Sujata has given first answer. Sohan has also given first answer. Sujata given second answer also, or first only. Okay. Sujata, don't differentiate, bhai. Sujata, second, third answer you have given wrong, I think. First answer everyone has given, no problem. First answer correct, very good. Saeed has given answer for second one also, very good Saeed, bahut badhiya. Shrita has given answer for first one. Come on, first one completed. Everyone has to give answer for second one now. Nagendra Reddy, first and second, very good. Shiva given answer for 5. Where is 5? Are don't, yeah. Huh. Acha, fourth one. Okay, correct. All completed. Okay, no problem. Pralika has given answer for second one. Bahut badhiya. Garvani, all completed. Nayak, all completed. Very good. Ishwar given answer for third one. Saeed has given answer for fourth one, I think. Raidu correct, Shrita correct, no problem. Harshit is also saying all completed. Okay, very good. Everyone is getting answer. So once let's check. एक बार देखते हैं, see if some mistake is there, you can correct it. No problem. Yeah. Basic rules, all 4 rules. Sohan Yadav also completed all. Harshini given, Johnny given, Adi given. बहुत बढ़िया. Now get that ready, completed. Okay, no problem. Once you can see, no problem. If any mistake is there, you can correct. Sir, you want to integrate this y with respect to x. I will simply use 1 by 1 integration because 3 functions are added. We cannot integrate at once. So 1 by 1. So first I will integrate 3x square. It will become 3x cube by 3. X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This will become, sir, 4x to the power n plus 1. 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 by 4. And this will become 5x to the power 5 by 5. Now from here we can simplify this, sir. This will give us finally x cube plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5. No problem. So this is the answer for first one, which everyone got. No problem. Yeah. Here, sir, if you want to integrate, sir, integration will come. Here, if you want to integrate, integration will become y dx. Here also, if you integrate, 6 will remain. X means x to the power 1. So this will become x to the power 1 plus 1. That is 2 by 2. And 2 integration, you already know, 2x. If you cancel this, this will become 3x square plus 2x. Here, if you do integration, so integrate y with respect to x. Now I can write answer directly. This will become x cube plus 4x square by 2. That means 2x square plus 10x. So fourth one will become. So if you integrate y with respect to x, because you have done that, that's why I'm doing fast. This will become x to the power 4 plus 5x plus x cube. How many of you got all 4 correct? Harshini got. Very good, Harshini. Garvani got, Shrita got, Mavelu got, Johnny got, Sagar got, Pravalika got, Saeed got, Ishwar got, Raidu got, Vedika got, Ram got, Carrie, Sri, Geeta, Samir, Harshit, everyone got. Radha, Krishna. Okay, no problem. Everyone got all these answers. Up to rule number 4 we have completed. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. Revise up to rule number 4. Then we will talk about remaining rules. At once, because they are simply values. So we'll talk about, till then I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. Once you can see all these things. Once completed, you can say done, sir. Sohan Yadav, done, sir. And once I will say, you can say done, sir, you start saying done, sir. Opika ledu, hunger is there, sir. Opika ledu, hunger undi. To become doctor in the NEET 2025. Kaise banenge? If hunger is not there, how you will eat the food? In the similar manner, if hunger is not there to become doctor, how you will become doctor? So that's why. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Now I will talk about 4 more rules of integration at once. Because these are simply values. Remaining rules which I am going to talk are simply values. So directly I will tell you all these 4 rules at once. So एक बार ध्यान देना, just see here, no problem, yeah. And you can write like this only. Now we are going to talk about rule number 5, 6, 7, 8 at once. At once because they are simply value. No technique, no concept, simply value. Then I will give you some question also from these rules. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay. So rule number 5, 6, 7, 8, I will talk at once. Now rule number 5, and I will only tell you those rules which you require in physics, not entire rule of integration. That is so many things are there. I will talk only about those rules which we require in physics where you require to do integration. So rule number 5 is integration of sine x. If anyone give you sine x and he asks you to integrate sine x, can you tell me what will be integration of sine x? If anyone remember what is integration of sine x? Anyone remembered what is integration of sine x? Rule number 5. Not cos x, minus cos x. Sine x integration will be minus, not cos x by. Not cos x by. Reverse na. In differentiation, cos differentiation became negative. Here sine integration will become negative. So that's why sine x integration will come minus cos x. Both are reverse of each other. Are in differentiation, cos differentiation was minus sine. In integration, in differentiation, cos became negative. In integration, sine will become negative. So that's why sine x integration will be minus cos x. Similarly, second is our, if someone give you cos x and ask you to integrate cos x. So cos x integration will be coming as, there cos became negative. In differentiation, cos differentiation was negative. Here sine integration will be negative. Cos integration will be positive. So cos integration, cos x integration will become simply sine x. Cos x integration will be, here students are confused in plus and minus. So be careful. Be careful. Always remember, whenever you get any confusion, always remember, differentiation integrations are reverse of each other. In differentiation, cos differentiation is negative. So in integration, sine integration will be negative. So that's why it will come, no problem. Yeah. Next one is, if you have function y equal to e to the power x, and if anyone asks you to integrate e to the power x, can you guess what will be integration of e to the power x? What will be integration of e to the power x? What will be integration of e to the power x? I told you in last class also, exponential is a special function whose value will not change whether you integrate or differentiate. So e to the power x integration will remain as e to the power x. E to the power x integration will remain as e to the power x. It will not change due to differentiation and integration, just like Dhoni. If you remember, I gave example also. So e to the power x integration will remain as e to the power x. And last one, if someone says sir y is given as 1 by x, and if anyone asks you to integrate 1 by x, can you tell me what is integration of 1 by x? What is integration of 1 by x? What is integration of 1 by x? 1 by x integration will come log x. 1 by x integration will come log x. 1 by x integration will come log x. Or you can say ln x also, no problem. Yeah. 1 by x integration will come log x. E to the power x integration will come e to the power x only. Is it okay? These are the 8 rules of integration that we have got till now. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See this rule number 5 to 8. Come on, I will ask. Everyone has to remember. Once you can see, you can try to remember rule number 5 to 8. Then I will ask from you. Shwane Yadav, I know what is your doubt. You are thinking about 8th one. I will talk about that. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So come on, tell me everyone, what is integration of sine x? Jaldi bhai. Sine x integration. If you cannot type, speak in your room. Once you will say, then only things will settle in your brain. More time you will say, more you will be better able to remember. Sine x integration. Minus cos x. Sine x integration. Bolo. No sound is coming here. You are not speaking loudly. If people are tough to type, then you can speak. If people are sleeping, let them wake up due to your sound. Say to them, I am studying physics. Sin x integration minus cos x. Sin integration minus cos x. Minus cos x. Achha, what is integration of cos x? Cos x integration. Cos x integration. Cos x integration sin x. Cos x integration sin x. Cos x integration sin x. Cos x integration sin. What is the integration of e to the power x? E to the power x integration. E to the power x integration. Jaldi batao. E to the power x integration e to the power x. 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 Achha, what is integration of 1 by x? 1 by x integration. Come on, 1 by x integration. 1 by x integration. 1 by x integration log x. 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 So come on, finally, sin x integration. Sin x integration. Jaldi, sin x integration. Sin x integration. Sin x integration. Sin x integration minus cos x. Minus mat bhulna. This is a very common mistake. Sin x integration minus cos x. Sin x integration minus cos x. Cos x integration. Cos x integration. Cos x integration. Cos x integration twarga bhai. Cos x integration sin x. 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 1 by x integration. 1 by x integration twarga. 1 by x integration. 1 by x integration jaldi. 1 by x integration. 1 by x integration log x. 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 E to the power x integration. E to the power x integration. E to the power x integration. E to the power x. E to the power x. Very good, very good, very good. Does anyone woke up in the home? कोई आया क्या, दरवाजा खोल के देखा क्या, पागल हो गया क्या, क्या हो रहा है? Does anyone woke up at your home? 1 by x integration is log x. E to the power x integration is e to the power x. Anyone wake up in your home? Huh? Yeah, okay, no problem. Don't worry. Your brother, yeah, come on, let them wake up. Say to them, I'm studying physics. Come on, yeah. Mom is here, very good, no problem. Let the mom, no one can, yeah. Mom shouting, come on, shout back. Say to her, physics is going on. Go out of my room. Okay, no, don't say like that. Okay. They understood. Okay, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. With time we will do more because more formulas will come now. So there we have to keep on saying. The more time you will say, more practice will be there. More better you will be able to write the formula. No problem. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. No problem. अच्छा, one point I will tell here. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. One point I will tell you here. Then we will do some practice from these 4 rules. One point I will tell here. ध्यान दो, because some of you may be having doubt. ध्यान देना. No problem. ध्यान दो. Be focused. ध्यान दो. What happened whenever I write rule number 8 now, students gets one doubt in their brain. One doubt they comes. This is a natural doubt which comes in everyone's brain. Sir, 1 by x integration, you are saying log x, sir. Sir, can I integrate 1 by x like this? Someone is saying, sir, why you have a separate rule for integration of 1 by x? Can I integrate 1 by x like this? You know, you can bring, just see here, one doubt may come today or tomorrow when you will revise, you may get this doubt in your mind. Sir, 1 by x integration, you are saying log x. Can I do integration of 1 by x like this? Sir, you want me to integrate 1 by x. 1 is rule number 8, which we know, sir, log x. But can I do this integration in this manner? Can I do this integration? I can bring this x in numerator. This will become x to the power minus 1 dx. Now I can use rule number 1, sir, x to the power n integration. So this will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That means it will become, sir, x to the power 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. This will become minus 1 plus 0, 0. Now this will come. X to the power 0. Any number power 0, you know. 1 by 0. From here your answer will become, you know, any number by 0 is infinity, or you can say undefined. undefined. This is the answer. This is the integration of 1 by x using first rule, and this is the integration of 1 by x using 8th rule. Which will be correct? Is this is correct or this is correct? This is wrong, bhai. You cannot integrate 1 by x like this. This is the wrong method. Wrong method. And you cannot get integration undefined now. Can I get marks in the NEET exam undefined? Infinite marks came in the NEET exam. I went to give NEET 2025. I got infinite marks. Undefined marks in the NEET. No. So always remember, the formula, the first rule which you have written now, actually first rule is not applicable. Here n should not be equal to -1. Because once n will become -1, this value will become undefined. So always remember, there is a condition. You can use first rule for all values of power except power to be -1. This rule will not work. That's why you have a separate rule. इसलिए separate rule बनाया गया है. That's why we have made a separate rule for integration of 1 by x. Because if you start using first rule, your answer will become undefined. So that's why this method of integration of 1 by x will be wrong. Correct method is 1 by x integration is log x. So here you can add this point. In first rule you can write in bracket n not equal to -1. If n will be -1, it will give you undefined. कैसे integration undefined हो सकता है भाई? That is not possible. You cannot get infinite value, undefined value. So that's why this formula will work always except n should not be equal to -1. If n will be -1, then what to do, sir? Then you will get rule number 8. Rule number 8. If n is -1, integration of 1 by x will be log x. समझे क्या? Everyone understood the doubt? Is this was the doubt? Some of the people were saying, Sohan, you were saying some doubt. Is this was the doubt, Sohan? Sohan was saying, sir, doubt is there. Are ax, that is not required. Only those integration which is required, that's it. Are 2 by x will also not be like this. Kya kar rahe ho? By now people are asking, sir, integration of 2 by x. You already know 2 will not participate now. You can write this as 2 into 1 by x. 2 will remain as it is. 1 by x integration will come log x. Done. Ho gaya. Okay, everyone understood. No problem, no problem, no problem. So now we'll move further. I will give you some questions to practice. Come on, you can do some question. Doubt clear? Yeah. Okay, ball. And 1 by x square you will do like that only. Bring x square in numerator, x to the power -2. Then you can apply rule number 1. Nagendra Reddy kya kar rahe ho? Only for 1 by x separate rule is there. Rule number 8. For remaining, you have to use first rule only. No problem, no problem. So I will give you some question. You write integrate following. Integrate following. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Integrate following with respect to x. 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 So these are the 3 questions whose integration you can do. Simple question using the rules that we have studied. Shohan Yadav has given answer for first one. Garvani given. Harshit given. Raidu given. Come on fast. Sujata has given answer for first one. Very good. Saeed, very good. Shohan Yadav second answer done. Very good. Third kar lo bhai. Third kar lo bhai. Sasiram, very good. Garvani, very good. Third also given. Raidu second given. Very good. Sujata given. Second, very good. All completed. Naik directly said. Harshit directly said very good. Harshita got. Shiva got. Very good. Very good. Very good. Pralika, I think everyone will get. No problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. Easy situation, sir. Just we have to keep the rules in our mind. We will get the answer. Sir, here integration will come. X square integration will become, sir, x cube by 3. Once you have done, now you can write answer also directly. Sir, e to the power x integration will remain e to the power x. 2 integration will become, sir, 2x. 2 integration will become 2x. Now here, sir, we will do, sir, sin x integration is minus cos x. So minus cos x, and cos x integration is, sir, sin x. This is the answer. Sir, third one I know, sir, 1 by x, I will not use first rule. 1 by x means separate rule is there. Rule number 8, 1 by x integration will give us, sir, log x. E to the power x integration will give us e to the power x. This integration will give us 5x to the power 5 by 5. This will get cancelled. The final answer will become log x plus e to the power x plus x to the power 5. Arey done, done, done. How many of you got all three correct? Jaldi bata do. Twarga. We'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Shrita got, Kavita got, Harshit got, Garvani got, Sagar got, Shukla got, Raidu got. I think everyone got. No problem, no problem, no problem. हाँ. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, very good, very good, very good. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay. हाँ, हाँ. Carrie got. Well, who got? Probably our answers are coming very fast. People are sending. Yeah, very good, very good. हाँ. Sheikh got, Shiva got, Harshini. Now ध्यान दो, ध्यान दो, ध्यान दो, ध्यान दो, ध्यान दो. Be focused, यार. Now one last rule. Okays, okays, okays. Be focused, be focused, be focused. One last rule of integration which will be used in physics. Yeah, very good, very good. हाँ, okay, okay, okay. हाँ, ध्यान दो. If you remember, in differentiation, I told you chain rule na. There I said you na, sir, sin x differentiation is cos x. So sin 3x differentiation will be also cos 3x into coefficient of x. Do you remember chain rule of differentiation? अरे कुछ याद है क्या? Their formula will be same. Only you will multiply with coefficient of x. कुछ याद आया क्या? Chain rule of differentiation. In the similar manner, here also we have chain rule of integration. ध्यान दो, same thing, no change will come. But if you remember, there we multiplied with coefficient of x. Here we will divide with coefficient. ध्यान दो. If you remember, in chain rule of differentiation, formula was same, only at the end you multiplied with coefficient of x. That was differentiation. Right now we are talking about integration, which is reverse process of differentiation. So here also same thing, same chain rule will come, but here you will divide with coefficient of x. You can write rule number 9. You can write rule number 9. In bracket chain rule. Somewhere in physics, this chain rule will be used. In integration also it will be used. In differentiation also it will be used. एक बार ध्यान देना. Nothing new, same concept, same method. थोड़ा सा, but you have to be focused. Then only. Otherwise people do mistake. Otherwise some people do mistake. So ध्यान दो, just here. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Sir, chain rule, sir, you are talking about. So I will tell you with the help of example which I did there. I will simply say, sir, I know, sir. For example, someone came and he given me integration of sin x. I know, sir, sin x integration, I know, sir. Sin x integration will be coming as minus cos x. Rule number, ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. Sir, someone came, he given me sin x, he asked me to integrate sin x. I know rule number 5, sir. Sin x integration will come, sir, minus cos x. But someone came and he said, no, I don't want sin x integration. Tell me what is integration of sin 3x. Can you tell me how much it will come? How much it will come? Sin x integration minus cos x na. So sin 3x integration will also come minus cos 3x into 3. Into 3. Are sin x integration is minus cos x. So sin 3x integration will also come minus cos 3x into 3 is wrong. अरे इंटीग्रेशन है भाई. You are also writing into 3. पागल हो क्या? अरे in differentiation you multiply with coefficient of x. You are talking about integration. Now integration is reverse process now. So here you will not multiply with coefficient of x. This is wrong. So sin 3x integration minus cos 3x divided by coefficient of x. Here this is reverse. In differentiation you multiply with coefficient of x. In integration you divide with coefficient or reverse na. So what is reverse of multiplication? Division. Here we will divide. Here we divide with coefficient of x. Are you getting idea what I am trying to tell? Here we divide with coefficient of x. डिफरेंशिएशन में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन में डिवाइड करेंगे. रिवर्स है भाई. 2 का रिवर्स क्या होगा? 1/2. 1/2 मीन्स डिवीजन. समझे क्या अर्धवेंदा? So come on, tell me. If you understood, no problem. You can write like this. You can tell me one situation. Chalo, tell me. What is integration of e to the power 5x? बताओ क्या आएगा? जल्दी बताओ. e to the power 5x का इंटीग्रेशन बताओ. अरे लास्ट रूल है भाई, थक गए क्या? Same thing. Sir, e to the power x integration, e to the power x. So e to the power 5x integration also, e to the power 5x. Not into, this is integration. Here we divide with coefficient of x. So e to the power 5x integration, e to the power x divided by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? 5. Done. Come on, tell me what is integration of this. Come on, tell me what is integration of this. Sin kx dx. हाँ बताओ इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा? बोलो त्वरगा. Same process. Sir, sin x integration minus cos x na. So sin kx integration will be minus cos kx into k into coefficient of x. Correct? Have I written correct? सही लिखा है क्या? सही लिखा है क्या? Wrong. Sir, integrate कर रहे हो सर, पागल हो गए हो क्या? In differentiation we multiply. This is integration. Integration we divide with coefficient. What is coefficient of x? K. So divide with k. So this is what we have chain rule in integration. Is it okay? कुछ क्वेश्चन कर दूं क्या? एक दो क्वेश्चन दे दूं? Shall I give you 2-3 questions from here, combining all the 9 rules of integration? अरे बोल दो भाई. हाँ चलो, no problem. And I will change the because you know na, tomorrow you have to integrate mainly with respect to time. So I will change you the variable also. I will not give you, in all questions I will not give you variable as x. I will give you variable time also in some of the question. So no problem. So you can do all this integration. Okay. All these integrations will be used in physics tomorrow when you will study different chapter. There I will not have time to tell you separately. I'm just changing the variable also in some of the cases. And I'm not giving only chain rule, all rules that we have studied. These are the final questions of integration. We are going to complete the integration now. Sometimes variable will be your time also. Most of the time variable will be time. Raidu has given answer. Cos will convert Raidu to sin na. And coefficient is not x, coefficient will be t. You have to be careful. Last questions of integration. Shrita, very good. Usha Sri, very good. Saeed, give an answer for second one. बहुत बढ़िया Saeed, very good. Raidu, third one answer will come 3t square plus 4t. It will not come 4x. And it will not come 4x here. Here variable is t. So it will come 4t. This is a very common mistake. That's why I've given. Don't say sir integration 60 integration sir 60 square by 2 plus 4 integration 4x. Wrong. Here you will not say 4 integration 4x. Here you will say 4t. These are the mistakes that will happen tomorrow also when you will do different chapter. So always be careful. So I think first one everyone will get. A will remain as it is. Cos integration is sine. So cos omega t integration will become sine omega t by divided by coefficient of t. Because here you are integrating with respect to t. Coefficient of t is your omega divided by omega. So this will finally become a by omega sine omega t. Similarly, let's talk about, yeah, very good. Everyone will get. Only this place problem may happen. Because many of you will write 4x, 4 integration 4x, wrong. That is only with respect to x. Here you are integrating with respect to time. It will become 4t. Everyone got the idea why I gave you here time? So you have to be careful with respect to what you are integrating. Here it will come, sir. E to the power 2x integration will be e to the power 2x by 2 plus 4 integration with respect to x. This will give you 4x. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Sir, here when you integrate, you are integrating with respect to t. So this will become 60 square by 2 plus 4 integration is 4x. Until now, this is what you are doing now. 4 integration 4x, 5 integration 5x, 6 integration 6x. But here 4 integration will be not 4x. Because your variable is time. So it will become 4t. Otherwise correct, no problem. This will give you 1 by x integration will give you log x. Sin x integration will come minus cos 4x by 4. How many of you got all 4 correct? How many of you got all 4 correct? Jaldi bata do bhai twarga. Harshit got, Sheila got, Garvani got, Janardhan Reddy got, Nayak got, Shrita got, Shiva got, Samir, okay, Samir, very good. Harshit, Shahid, Megha Yadav, Vedika, Babu Rao, Janardhan Reddy, Shohan Yadav, Ishwar, Pravalika, Samir, Harshit, everyone got. No problem, no problem. Yeah, Varalakshmi got. Very good, very good. Okay. So once you can check all these situations, yeah. Some people where negative sign is not there. Sir, in first question, negative sign not there. Are cos integration is sine only, na? Sine integration is minus cos. Cos integration is sine only, bhai. This is correct. Are first question, why minus is required? No problem, no problem. Yeah. Very good, very good, very good. So this is how we have talked about, and this is how slowly we have completed all the integration which we require in physics. Is it okay? Everyone remembered all the rules? Everyone will be able to do integration tomorrow when it will be used in physics. Be careful about that 4 in third question. Here 4 integration will be not 4x, it will become 4t because you are integrating with respect to t. So this is how we have talked about more situations from here. Next day we will start with proper chapter. We will start with chapter. Limits I will tell you whenever it will be required. I will tell you now, you will forget. Because it will come after 2 months when work power energy chapter will start. So whenever limit will be required, at that time I will tell how to put the limits, lower limits and upper limit. Tomorrow test will be there. Online test will be there. Tomorrow online test will be there. How to, in the app test will be there. How to enroll in the app. Information will come. Steps will come. Tomorrow exam will be there. Only up to basic maths. Only the type of situations that we studied. Because these are the things that we require in physics. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we'll be talking in the next class. For today we'll be ending here only. Tata, bye, 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 bye. Take care, study well. That all timing will be informed tomorrow. Don't worry, keep on doing hard work. Next year at any cost, doctor banna hai. Parwa le do. World will collapse. Nuclear war will happen. Government will fall. Doesn't matter. My target is to become doctor. In NEET 2025, nothing less than doctor is required. So work hard for it. Tata, bye, 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 bye. Take care. Bye. You can see the code also.